Everyone, in our previous class we done the MAC address lab. Now we are going to do the VLAN lab here. So see here I am using the same topology. We have the switch here. Let me power on all the devices here. So we are going to learn how we can create the VLAN in the CISCO Modeling Lab. Already you know how to take the topology, how to make the topology, how to take the device, you already know here. I am taking this device as a PC and this one CISCO IOL L2 as a switch. So we connected and you already know how to connect. If you don't know, watch our CML series in our playlist network for you. You will get that one. So here everything is okay. Now I will take the CLI of the switch. In this one we are going to create the VLAN. So we are going to do the VLAN lab, how to create the VLAN, how to make this PC in that particular VLAN. We can do that one. So let me power on the device here. I have the 4 PC. We can put 2 PC in one VLAN, 2 PC in another VLAN, like that we can do. So I will create the VLAN 10 and 20 here. So this I am here in the switch 1. We are going to use the VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So I will go here. I will write enable config T and host name already you have the switch 1. So I will create the VLAN 10. So how you will create? You will write VLAN, then give space, write the number. This is a VLAN 10, write name, whatever name you want to give. I give the name as a IT. Then I will exit. I will create another VLAN, that is a VLAN 20. I will give the name as a HR. So I created 2 VLAN. If you want to check, you can check, write do show VLAN brief. Why I am writing do here? Because I am inside the global configuration mode. If I am in the global configuration mode, I want to run the show command, then I need to write the do here. So you can see here we created 2 VLAN 10 and 20 here, and we don't have any port. Now we need to move the port from the default VLAN, that is VLAN, to VLAN 10 and 20. We can say here, or you can see here E0 by 0, E0 by 1 we have here. I will make this 2 PC in the VLAN 10 and I will make this 2 PC in the VLAN 20. So for that purpose I will go to the interface, this one E0 by 0, E0 by 1. And then I will move. So if I want to select this interface, multiple interface, I will write interface range, then E0 by 0 dash 1. This way I selected the multiple interface. Then I will write switch port mode axis. I will make this port as a axis. Then I will write switch port axis. In which VLAN I want to put, I need to write that number. So I move these 2 ports in the VLAN 10. If you want to check, write same thing, do show VLAN brief. When you write this do show VLAN brief, you will see here, see these 2 ports are in the VLAN 10 now, and you have the 2 and 3 is still in the VLAN 1. This one E0 by 2, E0 by 3, that also we need to move in the VLAN 20. So I will write interface range E0 by 2 dash 3, and then I will write switch port mode axis, then I will write switch port axis VLAN 20. And if you want, we can check, we can go here and we can write show VLAN brief, and you can see here we have these 2 ports are in the VLAN 10 and these 2 ports are in the VLAN 20. Okay, so now you can ping, different VLAN will not work. So first we need to assign the IP. Default login detail is Cisco, and then you will write sudo sudo super user. So you are here. Now whatever the IP you want to give, you can give. So this is a Linux machine, so I have the command here. I shown you in our previous class also, but anyhow I will put here. You will write if it 0 and put the IP address and net mask and the subnet mask. That's all. With this command we can assign the IP address. And if you want to check, write if config, and you can see these are the IP address. This is the IP address of our machine. This one PC1. And if you want to check, this is the subnet mask of that one. So same thing I will do for PC2 same thing, login is Cisco, password is also Cisco, and sudo su. Then same I will put, but IP we will change, that 1.2 we told. So I will write here 1.2, this one, and here now we can ping and check. Same thing we have. Okay, this one is the machine interface. Maybe you will confuse why I am putting this ETH0. This is a computer and we are assigning to the computer here. So this is a Linux machine. All are having ETH0 here and here and here and here. so no need to worry about that port. So now we assign, so now you can do also, right, ping 192.168.1.1, and you can see both are in the same VLAN, so they can communicate. But now if you go for the PC3, right, Cisco is a username, Cisco is a password, then sudo su, and then put the same command what I put before and change the IP. You can give 1.3 here, okay. And then if you are trying to ping here 192.168.1.1, it will not work because they are in the different VLAN. So it will not work here because this is 1.3 is in VLAN 20 and this 1.1 is in VLAN 10, so they will not work. So let me go here, I will write here Cisco and then Cisco sudo su, and I will paste that command, and we can change the IP here 1.4 here. And here if I ping the 1.3, it will work because the machine which we have 1.3, this and this both are in the same VLAN, VLAN 20. Okay, this machine and this machine both are in the same VLAN, that's why they are working. But if I stop this and if I ping this from like 1.1 or 1.2, it will not work because they are in the different VLAN. This side is a VLAN 10. Okay, these two PC1 and PC2 is VLAN 12. If I take this shape, I can draw here, I can say like this, okay, this PC are in the VLAN, this background I can give anything, our wish, whatever you want to keep, okay. So this one we can say these PCs are in the VLAN 10. And you have one more, I will make here, these are in the VLAN, we can say which VLAN, VLAN 20. Okay, so these are in the different VLAN we have. So if you are in the different VLAN, then they will not communicate, already you know that one, different VLAN cannot communicate. So if you want, I will write here somewhere here, this belongs to VLAN 10. Okay, here let me write here VLAN, I need to write here, let me click VLAN 10 here, name we told IT I think, and I can make this bold, you can move this here and keep this here, and you can take here and write here VLAN 20, VLAN 20, and name I think we give HR, whatever name you have, or I will cross check, let me check here in switch, we can check what name we give. 20 is HR, so 10 is IT, so this one is good. You can see here what name we give here, so here I can give HR, and if you want to make this bold, you can make this bold and you can put this here. Okay, if you want to change the color also, you can change the color and all the stuff here, your wish, whatever color you want to give or whatever you want to do, you can do. Okay, and here also if you want to change the color, you can go here and change the color. So this is a VLAN 10 IT, VLAN 20 HR, different VLAN cannot communicate, and we check already. You can see this PC, if I ping this PC, the PC1 is in VLAN 10 and PC2 is also in the VLAN 10. So if I ping here 1.2, both are working, PC1 PC2 both are in the same VLAN, they will work. But if I ping the 1.3, it will not work, they are in the different VLAN, so it will not work. And also if I ping here for 1.4, that is this PC also, it will not work because they are in different VLAN. But if I go here and if I ping here from this PC 192.168.1.1, it will not work because 1.1 is in VLAN 10, but this PC, this is a PC4 is in VLAN 20. And then if I ping here from same VLAN, it will work. So I will write here this one, these both are in same VLAN, so it is working. So you need to remember what is VLAN. VLAN is used to divide the single broadcast domain into multiple broadcast domain. Okay, so I ping the same IP, so let me ping here 1.3. okay, so I am here inside this PC4 and 1.3 is in PC3, so they both are pinging to each other. Same VLAN is working, different VLAN cannot work. You need to remember when we divide the switch into virtually, When we create the VLAN switch, we will divide the switch virtually and different VLAN will not work. If you want to make the communication between different VLAN, then we need to do the inter-VLAN routing. So that we will see later, inter-VLAN routing. Now you need to remember VLAN is used to divide the single broadcast domain into multiple broadcast domain. Different VLAN will not work. You need to remember this one. Later we are going to see how to make the communication between different VLAN. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Bye.